Welcome back to the class. In this class we are going to learn finding the specified terms of an expression or binomial expansion. You have to know or just try to recall Pascal's triangle. As for Pascal triangles we get the coefficients like 1, 1, 1. So in each end or beginning of the term we have 1 as coefficient. In middle we just have to add, right? First row n is equal to 0. In second row n is equal to 1. Third row n is equal to 2. And fourth row n is equal to 3. So it will go on like that. So you have to remember the general term. So general term is NCR. Then first term n minus r y to the power r. So you have to remember this formula to find the specific term. Let me show example. If x plus y to the power 5 and you are asked to find third term, okay. Generally we used to find NC0 x y and our x power starts with n and it keeps it decreasing, right? NC1, then x will become 4 to the power 4, y will increase 1 plus NC2 and x will decrease, okay, then y 2. So third term means we have to do till there, right? So 1, 2, 3, right? We have third means you look at our NC2. So third means we are doing till NC2, right? Third term. So we have to now realize that R is just 1 less. If they are asking for third, then our R will be 1 less, that means 2. So NC, we just have to look at NCR. So your R will be 1 less. Okay. Now let us put the formula. NCR x to the power, that is our general term, okay, using the general term. Now you don't have to expand like above if you know this formula. So n is equal to 5, right? In the question n is equal to 5, x plus y to the power 5. So our n is 5, then our r will be 1 less, I said, isn't it? If they are asking to find third term, 5 minus 1 less. So 5, just look at 5c. They are asking third term means we will have till 2. We have to do till NC2. Then we can really like powers. Okay, wait, last time we learned this. When we add the powers we get like to n, right? So 3 plus 2 is 5. So you can relate like that, or y to the power 2 and you can see NC2 2, okay, you can relate. So I will show you in next question. So you have to know our formula. NCR is equal to n factorial n minus r factorial times r factorial. This is our formula. Now we'll find 5 factorial. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So n minus r, okay, 5 minus 2 is 3. So find 3 factorial. So 3, 2, 1, and 2 factorial is 2, 1. Then we have, okay, we can simplify first. 3, 3, 2 is 4, and we have 5 times 2, x to the power 3, y to the power 2. So 5 times 2 is 10 x cube y squared. So this is our third term. Now we will see one example from our textbook, example 11 part 2. Okay, so the question says find the middle terms, and our question is 3a minus 3 cube over 6 to the power 9, and you have to find the middle term. You know our expansion, when it is 9, our expansion will have 10 terms. Okay, so in the middle term will be 5 and 6, so we have to find fifth term and sixth. So when we have to find 5, we know that 5 oneness, 6 oneness, isn't it? Now formula, general formula, remember the general formula. This is our general formula. Now we will just use the formula. So n, we know it is 9, right? So we'll find for the fifth, means we have to do, our r will be 4. Okay, then first term is 3a, second term is negative 8 cube 6. Now look at the r, second term power will be 4. Okay, then we have to add the powers to get 9, so 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, relate like that. So n factorial, okay, 9 factorial is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 divided by 4. So you know the formula, NC formula, 9 minus 4, isn't it? N minus r factorial and r factorial. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 factorial, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 3a to the power 5, so 3 to the power 5. You can use your calculator to find the value of 3 to the power 5. Okay, so 3 to the power 5 is 243, and e to the power 5. And when our power is positive, we know it will be positive only. So a 3 times 4, 12, right? Over 6 to the power 4 will be 1296. So you can use the calculator and simplify by 5. Then 3, 2 is 6, 2 and 2 cancel, 4, 1 is 4, 4, 2 is 8. Then you can multiply 9 times 2 times 7. Okay, 9 to 18, 18 times 7 is equal to 126 times, now we have 243 times e to the power 5. So when we have same base, we just add the power, right? 5 plus 12 is 17 divided by 1296. Then you can just use the calculator and divide, you get 189 over 8, 8 to the power 17. So this is when our term is 5. Now we will see for 6. Okay, so and see 5. So we have to use same procedure. A minus 6. So 5, 5. Right? Then when we add, we should get 9. So when we have 5, we know that we have to have 4 to get 9. So you should get n, right? So this technique you have to keep in mind. Then find the 9 factorial, 6, 5. So this I don't have to explain now, you know how to find a factorial. Okay, 4 factorial, that is because 9 minus 5 we have 4. Then 4 5 factorial, then 3 to the power 4, the value will be 81, and you know a to the power 4. Since it is our power is 5, we will have negative. Okay, negative a to the power 3 times 5 is 15, and 6 to the power 5 value is 7776. Use the calculator. Then we simplify. Okay, again 3 to 6 2 2, and 4 1 4 4 2 8. So we have already found the value for 9 times 2 times 7. That is, now since we have negative, don't forget the sign negative. When we multiply we get negative only. So multiplying all this we get 10206. Okay, so I'm multiplying all together and add the powers. We have e to the power 19, so 7776. Okay, when we divide we get negative 21 over 16 a to the power 19. So this is how we get. Very simple, you just have to know the formula.